sa mundong aking ginagalawan. Pupunta ako sa nakaraan.
You're back. The town is proud of your success in Europe.
Thank you. It's nice to hear that. I've been to a lot of places there and learned new things. And I'm actually planning to build a school for the kids.
Oh, that's a great plan, Clara. I'm hoping for your success.
Abroad, those guys are dangerous. It fills their mind with their ungrateful things.
Father, knowledge is the key for the truth. I only wish to build a school for the children of San Diego.
Paralan, nasisira na ba utak mo? Akala mo paaralan ang magsasalba sa iyo? Ang magsasalba sa iyo ay ang simbahan. Yan ang totoo.
Padre Damaso, let us not argue. Ibarra means no harm. He only wants what's best for the kids in San Diego.
Hindi ko gusto ang plano ng Ibarra na yan.
Anak? Crispin? Basilio? Nandito na ang nanay. Anak? Anak! Basilio! Anak!
The prince of injustice, Ibarra. If we don't do anything, the powerful men abuse, while the poor suffers.
It's not like I'm doing nothing, Elias. I'm just trying my best to build a school. Pero pinipigilan nila ako dahil kay Padre Damaso. If only education could awaken their minds. If only they could see the truth.
Ibarra, do not fear the friars, lalo na yan si Padre Damaso. Time for a change is near. Change starts now.
Padre Damaso, you preach faith inside the church and yet spread fear and control over the people. What kind of father are you?
Who do you think you are? Isa ka lang edukadong tao habang ako ay isang tao binibiyayaan ng Diyos.
You silence those who question you. Where is God's love done?
Questioning my authority, you are nothing without the church.
Stop! Why must love and truth suffer because of pride? Ikaw, Padre, oo, at pinili ka ng Diyos, ngunit wala kang pagkarapatan maliitin ang isang tao. At ikaw naman, Ibarra, alam mo naman na hindi masusolusyonan ang isang problema kung dadagdagan mo pa na naman ang isang problema.
Kaya Clara, obey the father. Halika nga dito. Ikaw, isa kang dalaga. Dapat hindi ka makialam sa mga lalaking awayan. Listen to Ibarra. The real sin is silence in the face of justice. Kailangan nila malaman kung anong klaseng pagkatao si Padre Damaso.
at kung anong kasakiman ang ginawa niya sa bayan ng San Diego.
Matuto sa nakaraan, bawat pangyayari may malalaman, mga aral na dadalhin ko hanggang bukas ng buhay ko. Lahat ng pagsubok ay kakayanin ko. Babaguhin ang buong mundo. Kayang baguhin ang nakalipas. Maiiba kaya ang mangyayari bukas. Bago mo gawin, suriin mabuti. Isipin din ang iba, huwag lang ang sarili. Tibok ng puso ang magdadala sa akin. Matatapos ang
Oh, iba!
Educational abroad. Where, you know, ungrateful things in their mind.
Father, knowledge is the way of the
Nandito na!
The
If only education.
The time is here. Ay, no? The time is
Padre Damaso, you preach fear inside the You preach faith. You preach faith inside the spread fear and control over the people. Where's the Father are you?
Ako ay pinabayaan ng Diyos. Ay, hindi na